My name is John. I have just finished my AI training program at ACTE Technology. I just want to share my experience with you all. From the moment I joined the ACTE AI training program, I could sense the professionalism and the expertise of the instructors. The curriculum is well structured and up to date with the advancement in the field. It covers all the essential foundational concepts required to excel in AI. The training sections were engaging and interactive, allowing ample opportunities for hands-on practice. ACTE provides a conducive learning environment that fosters collaboration among the learners. The instructors were always ready to guide and clarify doubts at any stage. One aspect that I truly appreciate was the focus on real-world applications. The hands-on projects and case studies allowed us to apply the learned concept in practical scenarios. This concept boosted my confidence and prepared me to tackle the real-world applications in field of AI. By the end of the AI training, I gained skill set that includes machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Things have already opened up numerous career opportunities for me. Thanks to ACTE, I feel well prepared and confident to excel in the AI field.